Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Mauro's Life over here, walking in the Chicopee Woods, Elachee Trail. We're gonna go take the loop bridge, take some photos. Beautiful view of a nice tree. Just hiking this trail all the way to the bridge, the suspension bridge. I don't know how long the bridge is, but it's a beautiful hike, nature all over the place. You guys can tell a big tree right here. Looks like it's been cut down for a little bit. And of course, here we are. Look at that little tree house. I mean, not tree house, but birdhouse. It's a birdhouse. Very beautiful. Of course, got the Canon T7 Rebel to take the professional photos and some videos as well. Or actually good quality photos. It's a little of an incline over here. But, of course, it's a great hike. Good day to go hiking in Georgia. Might as well get some exercise in and enjoy it. So, I will catch you guys later on another video when we get to that bridge, the suspension bridge. Hope you guys like it. Like, subscribe, and comment.